All right, guys, you see here, this is my email. I got several different opportunities from Appen. All right, so this from a few weeks ago. You can see I ain't get to them yet, so I don't even know if they're still available. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look at these, go in each one of them, and let you know what happened as far as applying for these opportunities. You know, how legit were they, and so on and so forth. Right.
Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you're watching this video, that probably means you're interested in working for Appen, right? You're looking for some work from home job opportunities. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about what you should expect if you try to work for Appen, and is it actually even worth your time to do. I did several videos on Appen in the past. And I'm kind of basically just giving an update. All right, so let me tell you something real quick. Signed up with Appen years ago, and to this day, right, I still get Appen job opportunity emails. Right, I get emails at least, I don't know, 3 or 4 a week, offering different opportunities to work for Appen. Right, they have different jobs. So because I've been so busy, like, I really don't look at the emails. So what I did was I kind of saved some of the emails, and then I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna look in here and see what happens. Just see, even if there's a little side hustle gig I can do real quick to earn some extra cash. Let me just look in here and see what's up. So I actually learned something when I did this. All right, first thing I learned is, when it comes to Appen, right, if you're serious about making money with this company, you need to be on your emails. Right, you need to check them on a regular basis. Why? Because a lot of the opportunities, when I checked these emails that was from 3 weeks ago, them job opportunities was gone. Right, so Appen is not something that you could always keep coming back to and thinking the same job opportunity is going to be there. If you want an opportunity with Appen, whenever they send you an email, you need to jump on it fast. You need to apply for that particular job. You need to do it ASAP, because they go really, really fast. All right. Another thing that you need to keep in mind is, a lot of these positions are short term. Right now, you can potentially get long-term jobs, but I wouldn't go into it thinking like, oh, I signed up for Appen, I'm gonna get a job that's gonna last me 2-3 years. A lot of these opportunities are actually, they're task based. So it might be like a certain number that you got to do of something, right? Like you gotta work 20 hours doing this, right? And after that, you done. All right, now, like I said, Appen has a variety of different projects. But just go into it knowing like you're probably not going to get like a full-time 40-hour-a-week opportunity from Appen. You might, but it's probably unlikely. Now, another thing you should definitely keep in mind when trying to work for Appen is you do have to be qualified for these opportunities, because a lot of people, when they sign up and they get an email, and it says new job opportunity or whatever it says, like, people get all excited and they're like, oh, cool, right? But no, you still have to open an email, and you still have to go through another process before you actually get hired to start making money for that particular company or that particular job. All right, you need to keep that in mind. And a lot of times, and I hear this a lot, people, when they try to get a position, it takes a long time to hear back. Sometimes it could take a couple weeks to even a month to hear back, from that particular job opportunity. All right, so if you're going in, you check your email on a Monday and you see the job opportunity, you probably won't be working that job Tuesday or Wednesday. It may take a couple weeks for them to even respond back to you. All right, so keep that in mind. So overall, my thoughts on working for Appen pretty much remains the same. Yes, it is a legit work from home job opportunity, but you should really look at this as a part-time, maybe not even part-time, right? You might look at it as just a straight little side hustle, extra cash opportunity. All right, so if you want to check out an opportunity that you can start making money with today while you're waiting for that work from home job to come through, you definitely want to check out this video right here, right now.